Hey guys, this is News Listener by Angelo, and this is my fourth video for today, May 10, 2025. Okay, malapit na ang eleksyon. I think ang dami nang tunugan sa mga kanto ng mga kandidato, and I'm sure meron din kayong naririnig na nagbo-vote buying. Okay? Anyway, alam niyo naman kung anong gagawin kung merong vote buying, di ba? Uh, Dapat bumoto ng tama. Okay? So today, in this moment, recorded to 6:47 p.m., pag-usapan naman natin si Sir Manny Pacman Pacquiao. And a little information about Sir Manny. Siyempre, 8 division world champion sa boxing and idol ng masa, di ba? And isa siyang senador na, and if I remember correctly, uh, naging kandidato din siya sa pagiging pangulo noong last election. Okay? So pag-usapan naman natin siya as running for Senate again. Okay? So here, dito naman tayo ulit sa verifiles and fact uh, this is an information website sa Pilipinas to na establish, and we get information from here because this is a well-known source of information. Okay? So, and then dito rin may kita yung mga other may mga information na fact check ng verifiles. Okay, number 50, si Sir Manny sa Balota, former senator and retired professional boxer, and nasa Partido Federal ng Pilipinas. And then, punta tayo dito sa highest educational attainment, Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, major in Local Government Administration, University of Makati 2019. Nasa alyansa siya ni Bongbong Marcos, and sabi dito, boxer turned politician Manny wants to regain the seat in the Senate to fight corruption and implement reforms address poverty, health, education, among other issues. So, okay, naging senador siya noong 2016 hanggang 2022. And I'm sure, alam niyo naman guys, nang una, avid supporter siya ni Duterte. Diba? Naging representative siya noon doon sa kanyang probinsya sa Sarangani. Okay, let's go to issues and controversies. Endured 3-year legal battle in the U.S. For alleged breach of contract, sports, which he won when the California Superior Court ruled for his favor last year. Okay, wala nang problema dyan. Tapos, he faced tax evasion last 2013. Yung 3.3 billion, natatandaan niyo yun? I believe yung BIR ata sumisingil doon sa mga fights niya sa US, which hindi naman nangyari yung fight dito sa atin, di ba? More of them are in the US. So, na-junk to ng Court of Tax 9 years later, stating that lack of sufficient factual basis, okay, and right due process. Tapos, had the third lowest attendance from 2018 to 2019, was also among the top absentees. Okay, para absent pala si Sir Manny. Okay, yeah, because of maybe some other things, right? So, pala absent pala si Sir Manny. Yun. And by the way, nung senador siya, I think I remember na meron siyang mga fights abroad, 'di ba? Okay. So, yun, pag-isipan natin kung okay ba siyang ibalik natin ulit sa Senado. Next, heavily criticized 2016, describing members of the LGBTQ plus community as the worse than animals. Yun. Doon na naman sa doon sa basehan natin ng ugali, di ba? So, napakasakit naman yun, di ba? Okay. Sana, nag-isip siya muna ng mabuti bago niya ilabas yung statement na yun. And I think, nag-sorry siya ata eh. Yun, yung naging issue yun dun sa community ng LGBT. And then, okay, had a world war with the former president over issues of corruption, West Philippine Sea, his billion peso tax, and the breakup of um, Partido Demokratiko, PDP Laban, di ba? Nag-away sila. And unfortunately, yung PDP Laban is nakip ni former President Digong Duterte. Okay, punta naman tayo dito. Okay, so na-fact check din yung death penalty despite he's saying he's a pro-life. So, ba't isusulong mong death penalty kung pro-life ka naman? Di ba? Then, okay, does the Constitution says Marco can be buried at the Libingan of Bayani? Okay, meron din yan. Okay, about Pacquiao is wrong. PH has been dealing with coronavirus since January. Nagkamali din siya. Pacquiao shifts from worse than animals, not condemning LGBTQ. Okay. Then, baba tayo dito. Sa family niya nasa gobyerno din yung mga kapatid niya. So, nung naging sikat si Manny, pati pamilya niya, pumunta na rin sa gobyerno. Okay. Sino pa? Yung wife niya, yung brother niya, mga brothers niya, tapos yung cousin. Wow, ang dami nila, oh. Yan. Sister-in-law. Okay. So, guys, political dynasty. And I think he has an issue about saying political dynasty is okay lang daw. But wait, iisipin mo, yung mga other political dynasties, nag-away-away yung pamilya nila, tapos hindi umasenso yung kanilang probinsya. 'Di ba? And walang, anong tawag dito? Hindi siya democratic. 'Di ba? So, kung pag-iisipan mo yung sinabi niya, paano mo iboboto yung taong gusto ng dynasty hindi nga siya tumulong ng ating bansa, right? Okay. Now let's go down to poverty, job inflation. Okay, so gusto niyang solbahin ang employment. Okay, and ang poverty. Okay, ang tagal-tagal niya na din sa Senado, pero okay, ang hirap pa rin natin, di ba? And then, okay, so believes strengthening micro, small, medium enterprise can help more jobs. Okay. Fight corruption. Okay. West Philippine Sea condemns China. Okay. So he's maintaining that he condemns China sa pagbubuli sa atin. Right? Okay. Drug war. Okay. There were extrajudicial killings. So that means yung sinabi niya sa drug war, yung time na naging senador siya, ano kaya sinabi niya kay former president? Diba? Ang daming namatay, puro inosente, wala namang yung mga drug lords, pinalitan lang. Okay. Okay, vow to fight drugs right away if elected president. Okay. All right. Then, interesting facts selected. Okay. Second richest. Okay. So, isa sa mga pinakamayamang senador sa ating former president, former senator. Right? So, doon sa mga facts and information. So, guys, isipin mo kung pwede pa ba siyang maging senador ulit ng ating bansa. And gagawin mo, titignan mo kung okay ba siya, ano bang nagawa niyang maganda para sa atin, na naramdaman mo ba na okay, meron tong ginagawa, right? So guys, thank you for listening. I hope you get something here in our news listener in this channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment to support this channel. Thank you for listening, and I hope meron pa akong time for today to create more videos. Especially, I want to talk about Camille Villar, tapos si former Senator Ping Lacson. I hope I can still do it, and since it's a 1 day to go before election again. Okay, so see you. Bye. Thank you.